A very good morning to one and all, my dear children. My dear children, we have finished of English Unit 1. And today we are going to start with the question answers. As per the chapter, I'll give you answers also. I'll read the questions, I'll give you the answers. So please, you write it down in your notebooks. Whichever I've given in your notebook, textbooks, whatever it is, today I'll be with the textbook questions as per which is given down. Okay? Yeah, shall we start? Hello. The first poem was What a Bird Thought. So here the poem, it is describing about the different houses which the bird was living. It tells us the first house was very small, which was made up of pale blue shell. Next he tells that I lived in a small nest. It was quite happy over there also, and it did not need any other house. It thought the world was made of straw, which was covered by its mother. And one day the bird thought to flew very fast, unsteadily, without stopping, to see what it could find outside. And it thought that it had been blind earlier. That means it could not see that what the world is now. It realized that the world was made of leaves, and then it flew beyond the sky. It began to wonder how the world was really made. It then asks the reader or the poet, do you know how the world was made? So here, my dear children, meanings, that is fluttered. Fluttered, it is given to you. We'll go for question answers, but here no meanings are there. I'll just tell you, fluttered, it means to fly unsteadily. To fly unsteadily. Beyond means far from. F-A-R, far from. Straw means dried, thin stalks of threshed grain. Dried grass also you can write. So we'll go for the first question over here. Find the list of the rhyming words from the poem. So which are the rhyming words from the poem? We'll go for the first para just here. See a well, shell. Well, shell. Second over here, other, mother. Other, mother. In the third paragraph, find, blind. Find, blind. Next it is blue, you. Blue, you. Next question. It is learn and recite the poem. My dear children, even you have to recite the poem, learn the poem by heart. In the holidays now, whatever, it's lockdown, you have to study the poems. Now describe the following lines in 1 or 2 lines. The first little house of the bird. You have to describe that. First question, the first little house of the bird. You write the first little house of the bird was small and round and made of pale blue shell. Got the answer? The first little house of the bird was small and round and made of pale blue shell. Second one, it is the nest. What is there in the nest? What will write the answer? So you write the nest was small and made of straw. The nest was small and made of straw. Third one, the world around the bird's nest. The world around the bird's nest, you write the answer. The bird's nest was a tree with leaves, and beyond that was the open blue sky. The answer is the bird's nest was in a tree with leaves surrounded, or beyond that was the open blue sky. Next, imagine the following and write about each in your own words. You have to write in your own words. What is that? What the world looks like to a baby. Now when the child is too small, how does the world look like to the child? Naturally the child, it can't see all these things, but we'll just try to write in our own words. The world must be looking very big and little bit frightening to the child, because it has just come up in this new world, and it will think that this world is full of voices, and it is made up of the walls, 4 walls, as well as the ceiling of the room, and there may be a garden where it is taken by the family. I'll tell you again. The world to the baby, it might be a new world to it. You can write, as it is very huge, big and frightening to him or her. It might be full of loud voices for the child, and it is made up of 4 walls, ceilings of the room, and it may be garden where the family takes the child. Next, what the world looks like to a fish. Now these 2 questions, my dear children, you can describe about your own also. When you were small, what do you think? How was the world to you when you were small? Next is, what the world looks like to a fish. To a fish, the world is only water. Naturally, the fish lives in water, and its world also has other fish. Many fishes are living in that water. Some are very big and some are very small, and some live in green water plants. So to the fish, the world is only water and more water and water only. It has many other fish in the ponds, as well as in the seas, in the rivers, wherever you see. Some are very big, some are very small, and some are living in green water plants. So my dear children, please write this in your notebook. As well as I had given you summary, as well as some of these questions, you write the answers as well as recite the poem. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. And please come up when we have the online lectures. 1 is coming, 2 is coming, slow. By 8:20 you have to be ready. Yes? Thank you. Have a great day.